Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stream your PS5 to Discord on your PC using Remote Play. And this is free. You don't need a capture card or anything like that. So go on over to your computer right now, and here's Discord. So you want to join a voice chat, and then get the Remote Play application. So let's go to Remote Play right now, and just type it in YouTube Remote Play PS5. First link right here, PlayStation.com. And then open this up and then download this to your computer. So you can see a tutorial right here how to use it, but it's very simple. You can get on the Google Play or App Store too, and just look for the PC link. Should be somewhere on here. If you can't find it, scroll on down a little bit. So we got the PS5. So let's find it on the PC right here, PC or Mac download, and then download it right here on Windows PC, and then check mark I agree, download. And it should download in the top right now. Good. I already have it on my computer. So let's go to search, remote play, open this up. Now, if you connect via a wired LAN cable, this will work a lot better versus Wi-Fi. And sign in with your PlayStation account, email address, and password, and go to PS5 Pro. That's mine. So let's connect. Now, if you connect with the second account, you won't have to plug in your controller to your computer to play. So if you got like a second account, log in with those credentials, and then you can play with your main account using the same controller connected to your PS5. So that's a kind of a workaround to this issue where if you have your controller plugged in, it's going to disconnect you from remote play. So now that I have this up, let's go back to Discord, join a party chat or voice chat, go to share your screen, and then here's remote play. We can share this, and this will stream my PS5 to my computer, in which we can capture in Discord, which will stream it. So you're going to need really good internet to do this because you're going to be streaming like twice. So make sure everything is wired LAN. And you can see mine's at 720p, 30 frames per second. That's not bad. But this is just a workaround how to do this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.